Hello dear students, myself Kulwant Rai Puri, lecturer biology in Government Model Co-Education School, Ladwali Road, Jalandhar. Today we will discuss about the topic symmetry, which is present in the plus 1 biology chapter 4 animal kingdom. Here we will discuss about the symmetry in different animals. In general, what do you mean by the word symmetry? Here the symmetry means a balanced and proportionate similarity that is found in two halves of an object on both sides of the imaginary line or axis to obtain the symmetrical halves is called a line of symmetry or plane of symmetry. One half is mirror image of the other in the particular symmetry. In a huge biodiversity of animals, plants around us, there are different types of symmetries. We can categorize different organisms according to their symmetry. In animals, first type of symmetry we will discuss is asymmetrical. That is, they have no symmetry. उनकी कोई symmetry नहीं होती. We can explain with the help of this piece of cardboard. Here, the question mark shows that there is no center in this symmetry. We cannot divide the animal in any two equal halves by cutting in any plane. So this type of symmetry is called asymmetry. Now another type of symmetry here is radial symmetry. In case of radial symmetry, we can cut the animal longitudinally in any direction which passes through the center, and we can get the two equal halves of the animal. Suppose here I am taking the example of a cucumber. It's cylindrical. Suppose it is a cylindrical animal, and when we cut it passing through the center, we get two equal halves, and we can cut it in any direction, in any plane. We will get two equal halves, which will be the mirror image of each other. But here the main point is that here we cannot get the left and right part or dorsal part or ventral part. Here all the pieces are of equal. There is no left or right differentiation or dorsal or ventral differentiation in this radial symmetry. But we get equal halves, and we can cut it in any plane. We will get two equal halves in radial symmetry. Another type of symmetry, third symmetry, is bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry is found mainly in the platyhelminthes, mollusks, and all the chordate animals. We are also chordates. Our symmetry is also bilateral symmetry. In bilateral symmetry, here I am taking the example of a doll. When we cut this doll in vertically passing through the center, median plane passing through the center, we cut the body into exactly two equal halves, and we get right. And here in this bilateral symmetry, we get two equal halves, that is right half and left half, which is absent in as I have discussed earlier. In case of radial symmetry, we cannot get right half or left half, but in bilateral symmetry we get two exactly equal halves, that is right half or left half in this bilateral symmetry. After cutting this doll, we get two equal halves, that is right half and left half. This is the example of bilateral symmetry. This is present in mollusks and all chordates and platyhelminthes animals. Next type of symmetry which I am going to discuss here is biradial symmetry, which is very rare symmetry in some animals like Anthozoa and Ctenophores. In case of biradial symmetry, the animal is divided into four exact equal parts, four quadrants. The animal is divided into four quadrants. The body shows similar parts on either side of the body axis, like this. There are four halves in the body of the animal. Suppose these blackened parts, the opposite parts are equal, matching to each other, but the adjacent parts are not equal. They are not matching to each other. Some organs are there in the body like this. I have shown sea anemone here. tentacles of sea anemones which are present on these blackened parts only, not on the orange parts. So adjacent parts are not equal, but opposite parts are equal. So this is known as biradial symmetry. This type of symmetry is present in ctenophores and some anthozoans, cnidarians. And the last symmetry I will discuss here is spherical symmetry. In spherical spherical means ball shape or football shape animal body having football shaped body. That is, in case of spherical symmetry, the body is ball shaped or spherical. When we cut longitudinally, when we cut this body longitudinally or equationally, we get two equal halves in this spherical symmetry. We can show here on the ball, I have marked the lines. We can cut the ball in any direction, in any suppose longitudinally or horizontally, and we will get the two equal halves in this spherical symmetry like this. So this spherical type of symmetry is present in animals, some of the protistans, for example, this volvox. I hope you like this topic, symmetry. Thank you very much.